Exercise 1. Reformers have seen the Internet as a means of moving toward the ideal of responsive, democratic governance in the area of public administration. They view the burgeoning presence of government on the Internet as an attempt to respond to citizens as clients and customers. They believe that conducting public business online provides many of the same advantages as conducting private business online. Information can be accessed and services can be delivered at the convenience of the citizen. No standing in line at a government office. No trying to reach a bureaucrat by telephone. No waiting for forms to arrive in the mail. Just as the Internet has brought dramatic changes to e-commerce, so advocates of e-government, the provision of governmental information and services online, see the Internet as a way to modernize the public sector and democratize the relationship between individual citizens and their government. Exercise 2. Even if we give robots the ability to learn what we want, an important question remains that AI alone won't be able to answer. We can make robots try to align with a person's internal values, but there's more than one person involved here. The robot has an end user, or perhaps a few, like a personal robot caring for a family, a car driving a few passengers to different destinations, or an office assistant for an entire team. It has a designer, or perhaps a few, and it interacts with society. The autonomous car shares the road with pedestrians, human-driven vehicles, and other autonomous cars. How to combine these people's values when they might be in conflict is an important problem we need to solve. AI research can give us the tools to combine values in any way we decide, but can't make the necessary decision for us. Exercise 3. Children, of course, have less control over their attention than adults. But when they do pay attention, they open their minds more fully to the messages presented. By the early 1950s, advertisers had come to understand the commercial potential of reaching children by television. The Howdy Doody show, featuring a clown and a dancing puppet, for instance, was sponsored by a famous food company. And during every show, Howdy Doody would dance around a cereal box. But those were the early days. By the late 1950s, programmers had learned to create shows that, in a sense, served as advertisements themselves, like the Mickey Mouse Club, which helped nurture enduring attachments to characters like Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, and other friends. That, in turn, helped drive sales of toys, tickets to Disney's feature films, trips to Disneyland, and so on. And by the late 1950s, toy makers began creating toys specifically designed to be advertised on television, like Mattel's first girl-directed toy, the Barbie doll, whose commercials, which ran during breaks in the Mickey Mouse Club, chronicled glamorous episodes in Barbie's life. Exercise 4. With so many people sharing the most intimate details of their lives with the world, something was bound to disrupt the trajectory of online sharing. The year 2013 saw NSA, National Security Agency, leaks, hackers targeting consumer credit cards, and blanket inquiries into individuals' personal lives through their online connections, to name a few. These invasions of privacy and more have inspired whole new platforms based on giving the user a digital experience that can be anonymous, deleted, and secure. For example, app developers have created a photo messaging app that enables users to send a photo or video with text to a specific group of people and control the time limit for how long they can view the sent message from 1 to 10 seconds. When the time limit ends, the message is no longer available and is deleted from the app's servers. In this way, users can control their digital footprints.